Hello guys, welcome to today's video, which is a monthly plan with me for the month of August on this basic notepad which people probably just scribble on, but I've promoted to the position of a bullet journal. Yay! So I have this other notebook which I've used for a rough drawing of how my pages are supposed to look like, how my trackers are supposed to look like, the page layout and stuff like that, and also a couple of doodle ideas. The equipment doodles are mainly from Pinterest because my imagination doesn't, nope, it's not that good. I cannot connect my brain and my hand to draw. Anyways, now I'm just keeping this book aside, that's just for reference, and yeah, let's start. I'm gonna be starting with just a simple sketch, writing down the name of the month so that I have a reference as to where the other doodles would go. Yeah, I'm just gonna start doodling away to glory. So I picked the theme of baking for this month because my mom's birthday is in August and she's a brilliant baker. She really kills the baking game, and I thought it would be super fun to draw cute bakery items, cakes, cupcakes, cookies, ice cream, basically anything she's ever made. Everything that I've drawn here is something that she has made, except of course the baking equipment that has been bought from the shop. Okay. Here I'm using the most basic black gel pen on the planet. You can probably find this under your bed collecting dust. I don't have the best materials to work with, sadly, because of all of this quarantine nonsense. I can't even go out and buy the materials that I want. You're probably thinking,
But you can order it online.
yeah, I couldn't, so we'll just forget about that. I'm basically just outlining everything. This entire clip is weirdly zoomed in because my head was in the way and I had to crop my head out, and the phone camera was actually focusing on my head. So yeah, that was fun. Now I'm just erasing the pencil marks so that I can have like a clean slate to color in these doodles. And now this became a cleaning video.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
I'm just coloring in these doodles with normal color pens. Wait, what? Normal color pencils. These are watercolor pencils, but sadly I can't use water on this paper. This paper is so thin, it's just going to dissolve and probably tear. I don't love the look of these color pencils, honestly, but I wish I had like markers or something. I just have these sketch pens, but I don't like the colors. I wish I had like pastels and really light brush pens, but since I don't have that, I'm just kind of making do with these color pencils for now. I started this habit of making monthly trackers because of Amanda from Amanda Rachley. That's her YouTube channel. Oh my freaking god, she is the queen of bullet journaling. My version of this is so basic compared to the other bullet journal spreads out there, but it kind of works for me and it helps me stay organized. Now I'm just adding a little bit more definition with my black gel pen. The black gel pen honestly does not work very well on these color pencils, even though they're just color pencils and not even like crayons. It still does not work the best, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, now that the doodles are all complete, I'm just going to be hand lettering the name of the month with my black brush pen. This brush pen is actually freaking amazing for hand lettering. I did not expect it to be this good, but it's pretty damn good. The one that I'm using here is the Camlin brush pen. I got the pack of 12. I think I really need to get the pack of 24. It's so inexpensive and it's so good. I'm just filling in the edges and we're on to the next page. So this page is going to be a study tracker. Since I am a CA final student, I have one group left of my CA final examinations and I really need to be studying. My exams are due in November. It was supposed to be in May, but it got postponed 3 times before it finally got cancelled, and now it's in November. So I really do need to study a lot. And the study tracker sort of helps me track the number of hours that I'm studying every day, the subject and the topic. You'll see me kind of split that in tables in just a little bit. hated the word study in peach, so I just changed that to black. Now I'm just drawing these tables, nothing fancy, completely basic, and splitting that into 4 columns. That's all for this page. On to the next one. So on this page, I'm going to be writing down my video ideas. This is a completely new tracker for me. Obviously, because I just started my channel like a week ago. It's going to be super helpful to kind of put down all my ideas in one place. I'm just doodling a couple of cake slices and cakes. And just bifurcating it into 2 categories, music covers and like other general ideas. I'm just going crazy with the colors. I mean, I have no clue what cake on this planet is green or blue. I mean, of course, if you add food coloring, it can be green or blue. So that is my thought process. Okay, let's just assume that we have a lot of food coloring and we've just kind of dumped food coloring all over the place. That's it for this page. Let's move on to the next one. So on this page, I'm tracking my habits as well as my expenses, starting off with the habit tracker. I'm just jotting down the days of the month, and the habits that I'm going to be tracking this month are water, junk food, and daily workouts. The first doodle is a water drop, the second is a pizza, and the third is a dumbbell. The quality on this video clip is so beautiful. I know, completely high definition, high definition. My phone was completely disrespecting me and sliding out of place. Hello, excuse me phone. I charge you every day not to do this. I finally realized and set it back in place. So yeah, now I'm just drawing a couple of cookies everywhere. To be really honest, this page I do not really love. It kind of looks ugly, but we are not going to take that to heart. I'm just trying to be positive. Something about it is just not right. Like, I don't know, I think it looks weird. So I added a couple more cookies, hoping for the best. But soon you'll see that even these are not enough for me. So I go ahead and add a lot more cookies everywhere, and I changed the border to black because I feel like that kind of suited better. And here I show you how I can't even draw a straight line. That's it for this page. Let's just say goodbye and good riddance because we don't like this page. Yay, this is our last page. I was so freaking dead at this point. I was mentally and physically out because I was trying to even record this and my phone was running out of battery, was running out of space. This page turned out to be my favorite just because it's like kind of clean, kind of crisp, to the point, just ice cream cones as a border. And yeah, it's a weekly to-do list. Did I already say that? I'm mentally exhausted. My phone kind of ran out of space while I was recording this clip. The clip that you're actually watching right now is recovered. The file was corrupted and I was so upset, but somehow I could get it back. And it cuts off in between. You'll see that in just a bit. Now I'm just splitting it into 4 weeks. Adding some final touches, which are just polka dots because at this point I wanted to die. That's it, guys. All the pages are done and those are all my trackers, all complete. And now we can do a flip through. That's my August bullet journal setup, all complete. Shh, don't tell my notebook it's not a bullet journal, it'll feel bad, okay? Okay, thank you so much. If you ended up watching this video up until this point, thank you so freaking much. It means so much. I highly appreciate it. I know this is something that not everybody enjoys to watch, but if you did, thank you. And yeah, I would actually honestly recommend trying to track your activities or your monthly routine and habits and stuff like that, because it's kind of fun to update every single day if you're anything like me. If you're not, then please save yourself, run. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching it. If you didn't, please don't tell me, it'll hurt my heart. No, I'm kidding, you can totally tell me. But yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Please take care and stay safe. Bye.